we divide 780 by 5 in a long division method. 5 times 1 is 5. On subtracting we get 2. So now we put down this 8 and it is 28. 5 times 5 is 25. On subtracting we get 3. So again we put down this 0 and it is 30. So 5 times 6 is 30. On subtracting we get 0. So 780 divided by 5 is 156. So this much for today and thanks for watching.